Hello everyone, so in this lecture I am going to show you the basics of virtual machine and the metasploitable. So let's first talk about the virtual machine. So this is the virtual machine that will be download and install. So this is where we use our operating system for pen testing purpose. Like as you can see, I use mostly Kali Linux and Ubuntu in here, but you can also use like Windows 10, 7 and other Linux distributor as you want. But at first you have to install this Oracle VirtualBox, then you can install these operating systems in here as a virtual machine. So let's first talk about how you can download and install this. So very simple, just type VirtualBox and then this is the home page. So as you can see, VirtualBox is a very powerful tool for as enterprises and also for home users like us, and it is also a feature rich and it also a professional solution that is freely available for open software for all of us that you're gonna use in your Windows machine. And under this VirtualBox you can use another Windows machine. Like this is our main, as you can see, this is my Windows 11. So in Windows 11 I am using VirtualBox, and in VirtualBox I am using Kali Linux and many other operating system as a virtual machine. So how you can download this? Very simple, just go to this downloads bar, click in here, then we are gonna choose which operating system you want. Like if you want Windows host, just click and it will, as you can see, it will download. As I already downloaded and installed it. Also you can use for OS, Linux and all of this. And if you download, it's very simple, I guess. It's mostly probably 100, as you can see it's 100 MB. So I already downloaded it. So this will be the exe or executable file on Windows for VirtualBox, and make sure you download the latest version so that it won't have any bug or etc. So and make sure you install the stable builds, not the beta build. You can also download beta builds in here, but I will highly suggest you to go for the platform package or stable release. So how you can download, how you can install this? Very simple, just click next. What you have to do, and click on next, and then just select the directory and then finish. Very simple, very, I would say, easy process. As you can see, I have already installed this, so I can really show you this process. But as I was saying, as I said, that it is very easy process. You can just click next, and it will, at the end it will just finish, and then you are done with installing. So and then this will show up, this page will show up without these two, because I already installed this. So these two won't show up in default. So in default this page will show up. So in here you can choose, like, go to settings to set the different settings. Then you can also import and export. So in here we are mostly using this button, which is new. So we'll be using in future this button to create new machine. But let's go to our preferences. So this is the, as you can see, this is our preference folder, and this is our authentication library. So you can also change any shortcuts in you want in virtual machine. You don't need to check for update. And a language display, make sure you select it automatic, so that your display or monitor supports the better resolution, that will select it automatically. So make sure you select it automatic. And in network, make sure you create a network. How you can create? Just press button, as you can see, create a network. It will create a network. So let's just remove this. So it's pretty easy. It will create a network and you don't need to do anything other than that. It's very simple and very easy. And for the proxy, it's just select auto, and you can just select these preferences as it's is the default preferences that you for your VirtualBox. And we'll show you how you can install Linux, Ubuntu or Windows in here in our future lectures using this new tool. So in this new tool you can just name your operating system like that the want, like in here this is the directory where your operating system will be saved, and I will talk most about that part. This is for the basics. And for metasploitable you just search, pretty easy, metasploitable. Just search metasploitable VirtualBox. So this is the page. Make sure you go to this page. So this is our page for downloading our metasploitable framework, and we will also use this VirtualBox to install this metasploitable in here, and it's pretty easy. Just select your first name, last name, job title, and then submit. It will automatically download this metasploitable, and I will show you in later how you can install this metasploitable under in VirtualBox. So that's the basic of your Oracle Virtual Manager. It's pretty simple and pretty basic, and that's it.